Good afternoon, everyone. I'm on my way home after coaching session today, and actually, I'm taking the opposite direction because I have like 3 hours waiting time before I take the train from Zurich to home. Yeah, today I also learned a lot. And I was working a lot on CV for job applications, and I don't know if it is only in Switzerland or all over the world. To write CV, it has a lot of time, focus, energy to put it in. And my CV was like 5-6 pages, but apparently the recruiters or the human resource manager, even nowadays, it's algorithm, the artificial intelligence, who is actually fully filtering the applicants based on the CV. So the keywords were important, and instead of writing 5-6 pages, perhaps 1 page, and then use the keywords of what the company needs, not what I have done in my professional life. So now I have a 1-pager of my CV. So that is a very concrete outcome out of today's coaching session. So how does it look, your CV? Have another visit and refine it. Then the future recruiter, HR, or this artificial intelligence, ATS they call it, will pay attention to your CV. That was all for today, and with that, I wish you a nice evening. Bye.